Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your first time seeing my face. My name is Atineke. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all how I achieved this gorgeous bob using Brazilian wool. I'm showing you guys what I'm going to be using: Brazilian wool, curly hair, the same color. You can see I showed you two color of Brazilian wool. I'm going to be using one to pick the braids. Now I'll be using the second one to wrap it. Now I've already cut my hair into a section a day before I made this hair, so my hair is already shrink and dry. So I'm trying to moisturize my hair back by using this a guideline where I'm going to wrap the hair to. So that is why I love braiding the hair to the tip where I want to braid, where I want to wrap the hair to. So I'll just wrap the hair. I keep wrapping the hair. The back really gave me, because the back really gave me a little bit tough time. I'm wrapping this hair myself, and the main work is the wrapping. You can actually do this on your own if you really want to do it. This hair took me about like 5 hours. Yes, 5 hours to finish. Total 5 hours, yes, to finish this hairstyle. Dark and lovely natural afro moisturizing butter. Then I'm going to be using this hair wonder cream to moisturize my hair also. So now I'm just braiding the hair down. It's not a must for you to braid your hair down if you want to achieve this hairstyle, but me, I love braiding my hair to the length of where I'm going to wrap the hair to. So that I showed you the back of this hairstyle. I was thinking I was not going to braid the back from the beginning before. I was thinking it was going to cover it, but later on, that was why I've already sectioned the hair down. So later on, I have to braid it. Yes, so you're going to see it towards the end. Kindly please keep on watching. And towards the down part, I make use of 3 strands. So I make use of 4-pack of Brazilian wool. I didn't even finish the 4-pack. Wrapping, I'm going to tie a knot, as in a loop. Then I'll cut the excess away. Then I'm going to be making use of a lighter. If you want to do this part, you have to have water by your side, but me, it's not today. I'll be burning the tip of my hair by making my hair, so I'm used to it. So now moving to the next one, wrapping it also. I've already braided the hair. That is why I didn't show where I was braiding the hair. That's why I showed it from the beginning, but later in this video I think I showed where I braid the hair. So just keep on watching. So I'm just wrapping the hair. You have to be patient when you want to achieve this kind of hairstyle. Yes, take a lot of time to be patient. When I started, you can see that it's kind of standing. The one I've already rolled is kind of standing as if it won't come down. Don't worry about that one. When you finish making the hair, everything will come to place. So this is how far I've gone. So you can see, this is what I'm saying, that the way the hair is standing, just don't worry when you are done. You can actually use a hair scarf to lay it down, to press it down, so that it won't be standing. How will I put it? I don't even know what to say. So I know you understand what I mean. So this is the front part now. Just braiding the hair down. After that, I'm going to be wrapping. So you can see that I'm making use of the same color of the Brazilian wool that I'm using to wrap the body of the hair. Yes, because I ran out of the first color. I was kind of scared that this color won't be enough for me. That was why I used another color in picking the braids, then using this main color to wrap. I'm done now. Can you see the back that a little bit of somewhere is showing? You know, I'm making my hair myself, so there will be a little mistake in this kind of hairstyle. That is what I want you to know. So let's just ignore that part. As far I'm going to be putting coils towards the hair to add some spice. You know, I like making my hairstyle to look pumping, so I'm just adding some hair accessories after I finish adding the coil. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. We still watch to the end. So this is the final look of the hairstyle. I'm showing you the back. So this is the front. this side. I really love this hairstyle so much. It's very, very lightweight. It's not heavy. Please make sure you click on the like button, subscribe, comment down below, share with your loved one. Thumbs up, please. See you in my next video. Bye. Ciao. Love you. Mwah.